In this video, we'll come across different reasons to use NoSQL. So these are some reasons why you should go for NoSQL. So first one is if scalability is a concern. If you need horizontal scalability, if you need your data scale out, you should go for NoSQL. Then simpler data model. If you don't want complex and costly joins, if you want to make your data simple, then go for NoSQL. Needs to be implemented on a very low budget and scaled out. If your budget is very low and you want horizontal scalability, you want your data out, you want your data scale out, then you should go for NoSQL. Real-time analysis. NoSQL provides you real-time analysis as large amount of data is generated in every single second. Distributed storage. In NoSQL, the data is distributed among different machines. If you want your data to be distributed, then go for NoSQL. It provides you flexibility. You can use it with any different programming languages with different applications. So it provides you flexibility. So you should go for NoSQL if you want flexibility. Rapid development. The data is very large and it needs to be developed rapidly. So go for NoSQL. Redundancy. Reliability. Actually, redundancy gives you reliability when your data is stored among different machines and different servers. So in case your one server is failed, one main server is failed, and you have other server as well. So redundancy gives you reliability. Then streaming volume. Streaming actually is a flow of data, the continuous flow of data. So in NoSQL we have to tackle with large amount of data. So you should go for NoSQL if your data is very large. So these are some reasons why one should go for NoSQL.